Friends, welcome back to our channel BONG Food PREYOSHI. Today we are going to prepare jackfruit recipe or Echor Chingri. Here I have taken 400 grams of jackfruit, 250 grams of prawn, 3 medium size of potato, green chili 6 pieces, 50 grams of ginger, 2 medium size chopped onion, 50 grams of garlic, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, Friends, make a smooth paste out of it. Now add water to boil the jackfruit. Add 1 teaspoon salt, Friends, if you don't know how to cut jackfruit into pieces, then let us know in comments. We will make a separate video for that. Boil it about 80%. Our boiling is done. Add mustard oil to fry the prawns. Here we are using prawns with skin. If you want, you can remove it also, and remember to fry it lightly. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add mustard oil to fry the potato. Now we are going to fry boiled jackfruit. about 25 grams of mustard oil, 4 bay leaves, add chopped onion, add previously processed paste. Add cumin powder, 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt according to your taste. Add water, now add 2 teaspoon red chili powder. This is an authentic Bengali dish which also known as gach paratha in many places. Add fried potato, add more water, cover it for 5 minutes in low flame. Now add fried jackfruit. If you following our steps, then believe me friends, it will taste really delicious. Add water. 1 teaspoon sugar and 2 green chili. Now add the fried prawn. Cover it for 5 to 10 minutes in low flame. 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Last time cover it for 2 minutes. You can see how much the jackfruit looks delicious. Now it's ready to serve. Bye bye friends. See you in our next video.